slim 7 kilos in 3 days with this fat-burning cream. Awesome! If your desire is to eliminate all that saturated fat localized in areas such as the abdomen, legs, arms and neck, then this homemade cream is ideal for you. This fat-reducing and burning cream is responsible for firming the skin in areas where the fat rebel is deposited. For example, if placed on the neck, will directly attack the fat and eliminate the double chin. It is also very effective in combating cellulite or orange skin. Apple cider vinegar, thanks to its micronutrients, is ideal for slimming by burning fat. To make this cream at home, you must combine apple cider vinegar with other special ingredients and thus produce a mixture that will annihilate the fat safely and naturally. Ingredients: 1. Apple cider vinegar, commercial product. 2. Castor oil. The amounts should be small, as using large quantities can be harmful to health. 3. Leave the Himalaya. 4. Alcohol. Preparation: 1. You should create a homogeneous cream by mixing all the ingredients mentioned. Then apply the cream on the areas you want to lose weight and cover with a cotton sash or a plastic or paper kitchen film. 2. You can apply the reducing cream when you wake up in the morning very early or half an hour before exercising. 3. Clarification. Reducing cream is not a magic remedy, therefore, to have effective results in the burning of fats you must accompany the treatment with a diet and exercises.